Apache Airflow versus Spark. So Apache Airflow is one of the most open source workflow orchestration tool. It helps you schedule, manage, and monitor data pipelines, making it a go-to solution for ETL processes. So let's talk about its pros and cons. So for the pros, it offers powerful orchestration, extensible and flexible support for Python and integration with other services. It also has a clear visualization, which is called the DAGs. It is also scalable and even open source and widely adopted among community supports. The cons is though, it's not built for data processing. They have complex setup and they have a steeper learning curve. Now Spark, on the other hand, is a unified analytics engine for large-scale data processing. It's designed to process big data workloads quickly, supporting batch and real-time stream processing. So for the pros and cons, it has a high-speed data processing, optimized for distributed computing, which is much faster than Hadoop MapReduce. It is also versatile. It scales easily, has a strong API support, and have some integrations with other platforms. The cons though, there are some complexity of the requiring understanding of distributed computing concepts. It is also resource heavy, and it's not a workflow manager, and there are some maintenance challenges compared to other platforms. So overall, if you need a workflow orchestrator to manage and schedule pipelines across systems, Airflow or Apache Airflow is the best option. And if you need a massive scale data processing, whether batch jobs or real-time streams, Spark is the right tool.